Isn't it funny how you make a vlog 1, vlog 2, and everybody else expects a vlog 3? Well, here it is. It is your boy, Ethan, coming at you with vlog number 3. Somehow, I ended up at this place deemed my family's like river house. And here, you'll see why. Over here, way over there. I don't know if you can really tell, but there's a river. So, you know, I really believe it's nice to come out in nature every once in a while and just enjoy it for what it is. So, ready? Cut to compilation. You know, I did say cut to compilation, but I did lie. But because I'm going down to the river, we did set some minnow traps last night, so I'm gonna go check those out. See how many minnows we caught to go fishing with today. Let's go. Over to my phone. I'm on a search right now to find a swimming hole, and it seems that has been pretty fruitful. We found it. They said, my uncle pretty much lives here. He said, wait till you find a big rock. And I think we found it. This may be the swimming hole. Looks pretty dope. Peace. One thing I think I can really appreciate, and I think y'all will too, is the beautiful rock structure formations that have been here. Look at that beauty. Really solid. Man, that must have taken some time to create. Look at this. Really beautiful, really solid. I give the rock structure a 10 out of 10. That's one thing I can really appreciate about nature, you know, the natural formations that occur here. Beautiful. Okay, finally. So I brought her down, my cousin. I finally brought her down to her swimming hole, right? And so now, finally, it's time to go fishing. That was a pretty productive day of fishing. I got 2 gar and a bass. Great day. I think we're coming back fishing later. But for now, I'm gonna have to go back, eat some lunch, even though it's like 2 o'clock, 3 maybe. But we're gonna go back, eat, maybe come back, hopefully come back. Love fishing. Peace. Right after we went fishing, I came inside, I started watching TV, and I started knocking out for a few hours, right? I slept, it's like 5-ish now. A funny story, I came outside, I was just looking at the view and eating chips, and then this dog, this stray dog, you just hear, I've been giving him chips. You can tell he's shy. I mean, right now I warmed him up. Stanced in the defensive, ready to pounce. Need be. Oh, you're touchy, aren't you today, bud? So it turns out my little doggo friend here has been very thirsty too. Right, doggo? See if I built water here for him to drink. Let's see. Bro, are you serious? There's a whole plethora of water right here. There he is. We'll accept you here. Secrets and all, doggo. So after feeding good old, what his name is now, Marco, because there's two. One is Marco, the other's Polo. So after feeding Marco, we're coming back down since we left all the fishing equipment down at the river. We're gonna go fish again. I don't know for how long. Maybe catch some walleye, maybe some more gar. I don't know, just anything really. Maybe more bass, another bass.
It was really good.
Yeah, that's my cousin, by the way. I don't know if I've ever mentioned that, but. Peace. Well, we finally got done with the fishing trip the second time. Now we're heading back to the river home, and I guess just chill, and then sleep, and then wake up tomorrow, eat some pancakes, and then we're leaving the country back to fast Wi-Fi. Can't wait. Oh yeah, what I mean by leave the country, I mean leave the countryside, right? And then not like leave America, because you know I don't want to leave America. So we're going back to the city, and then we're gonna go back to like fast Wi-Fi is what I mean. Now again I can say bye. That's the dog right there. He's still here. Still attached. It's really funny. Sorry if it's grainy, but I'm shooting in the light. So the day is finally coming to an end. We went fishing and all. I caught like five fish, like 3 gar. It was great. I ended up cooking them and eating them. But right now, you know, we're here, we're watching TV. So I'd say today was a great day. You know, went fishing.
Shine bright like a diamond.
You know, I'd say today was a great day. Accomplished a lot. Tomorrow comes the fast Wi-Fi. Not that I want to leave. Yeah. So fast Wi-Fi. And finally, I think we can call this day over and out and to a close. Until next time. I don't know if the vlog of number 4 is ever going to come out, but until next time, keep it easy. Peace. Now, peace. Linda, be quiet!